This is how to register for a GRE general test on the GRE website. If you have a disability or health-related need and require testing accommodations, you must have your accommodations approved prior to scheduling your appointment. Before you register for the test, visit the Accommodations page. To get started, enter your ETS account username and password and click Sign In. Click Register. Select the GRE General Test. When taking the General Test, you can choose the Test at Home option if it is available in the country listed in your account. You can also choose to find test centers near your location. To take the GRE General Test at home, first verify your email address, then choose the 2-month period when you would like to take the test, then continue. To select your test appointment, confirm your time zone or select a new one. Then select an available test date from the calendar. Then select an available time for your test and click Register for this test. To take the GRE General Test in a test center, enter your preferred testing location, choose the 2-month period when you would like to take the test, and then click Continue. You may select any date from the calendar that shows available seats. Choose a location and then select Show Test Times for that location. When you find a time that suits you, click Register. Whether you're testing at home or in a test center, the next page has information you should know before you complete your registration. Review the information in the Testing Policy section, check the box, and click Next. Confirm the personal information you entered when you created your account. If your contact information has changed, you can update it. Review the details of the free GRE search service that helps schools find you. Select your preference and click Next. On the next page, you will review all the details from your registration, then update or click Next if you are satisfied with the information. You can now add free official test prep to your cart and then shop for additional prep if you choose. Review your registration date, time, and location. Review your shopping cart and proceed to checkout. Enter any promotion or voucher codes you may have and choose Pay Now. Select your payment method from the available options. Enter the required payment information. Once your payment is verified, you will receive a confirmation email with your test information. If you chose the Test at Home option, the confirmation email will include the test link to launch your test on test day. Be sure to keep this email secure. That's it! You can return to your account homepage anytime to see your upcoming test dates, access test prep, and after test day, you can view your scores and order additional score reports. Best of luck on your GRE test.